Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Wiggins Hair. This wig is their glueless wig that I'm going to be installing today. This install is going to be super quick because we're putting it on completely glueless. You can see the lace is melted. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get this wig to look like this, and it already came styled for you. So they did these braids. I'm starting off by sleeking back my edges. You can use any edge control you want. I'm using hard wax. Like always, you can get it from Amazon, and I'm going to brush all of my edges back. If you don't do this, your edges will come off. This is their packaging that they have. It's this orange packaging, and this is how the wig comes packed in it. It's at the top, and then they put all the goodies and stuff at the bottom. So it comes with some tape. I did not use tape today. It comes with some of these rings to style the hair, a headband, a comb, and some lashes. It also came with two wig caps and a satin bag that you can store your wig in after. So this is exactly how the wig came. It comes with 3 combs, 2 at the top, 1 at the back, and an adjustable strap. They did the braids and everything, and they have the edges already sectioned off. This hair is so freaking soft and it's full. So I wanted to show you how it looks before I put any foundation on it. So if you're lighter skin complexion, this is gonna work for you. And also I end up just using some bobby pins because the lace was not laying around my sideburns properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the baby hairs now. I'm trimming it down. I'm telling you, this was so freaking quick to do. Like, I don't even have to talk because you can put this on in 2 seconds. So I'm trimming down the edges, and then I'm just like pushing up the rubber bands to make sure that it's tight. And I am going in with the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 15, just so the front of the lace can melt with my skin. And then that's good enough. I am using my Ebin lace melting spray to do my edges. You can also use Got2b glue or some gel. And I decided to use a bobby pin to help stick my wig down on the side so it does not move. And this is basically what's going to keep your wig in place. I'm going in with the Nairobi foam just to tame the hair and kind of give it a little bit of definition. This wig is amazing. At the end of the video, I did go ahead and wet it and define it that way, but you can also do what I'm doing right here, is just putting some mousse on top of it because mousse dries faster than water. I'm kind of just like rolling it around my finger. Guys, you literally take this wig out of the packaging and it's installed in 2.5 seconds. But I do recommend that you wash the wig before you put it on, just to be on the safe side. And that also takes away this step because you're already going to style it once it's washed and dried.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. As you can see, it's more flat because I did go ahead and put some water and use my Denman brush to like brush it through. But yeah, this is so freaking pretty. If you're interested in getting this wig, I'll have it linked down below. This is very good for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want something very easy and quick, and if you can't do like those braids in the front, it's already braided for you. So don't forget to check out Wiggins Hair. I'll have them down below like I said before. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.